Hey guys, we received this VK Shop 24 individual wrapped travel toothbrush set with toothpaste for test and try. So this is a bulk disposable toothbrushes kit that is helpful for the travel, hotel, business trips or any other purpose. And you can see this comes in a really nice individually wrapped toothbrushes along with the toothpaste. So it comes in this nice pack, and let me just take out one brush and the toothpaste. So it's a nice design, colorful, flexible top and the soft bristles, and also is a nice comfort grip. And this is the paste that you have to just prick and then use it. So it's a 5 gram paste in total, and really nice for the brushing experience. So it's nice and great with this fine bristles, and then nice quality thing as well. You can take it for the travel, so individually wrapped, no issues. Helps in cleaning your teeth, take the brush and do the stuff. As is disposable, you can throw it after the use, and nice and hygienic as well. So it's good to use, and there is no issue with the toothbrushing, and is nice for the travel.